Hey yo, chaps. Yeah, guys, man. Yes, I know you guys, you miss me so much, and I missed you so much. But anyways, guys, today's vlog is gonna be a bit messy and a bit mixy as well. So, what's happening today's vlog is we're going in Johannesburg, for an apartment view. I think I recently told you guys that I'm on an apartment hunt. I don't know if it's correct English, but yeah, man. I'm busy hunting for an apartment. There was someone passing by there. I'm busy hunting for an apartment, and I'm going to view the first apartment in Johannesburg. Hopefully, I'm gonna like it. And man, yeah, man. I know you guys are gonna ask me why are you moving, this and that, blah blah blah. I think I'm gonna show you in the moving vlog that if I success to get a very nice and new apartment. But the main reason is I want something modern, something a bit developed than this one. As you can see, this is a cottage. It's like a cottage from Zimbabwe that we are living in. It's like a, you know what I mean? It's not like giving. And I believe in life, you need to do upgrades. You need to level up if it's necessary and if you can. And yeah, man, you don't need to live with that mentality. I know as long as I'm living. No, it doesn't work like that. I mean, like, if you can manage to hustle for the life that you want to, I mean, like, just do it, man. Like, that's what I'm trying to do. Just trying to live my dream life. I know a lot of you guys are gonna judge me because they have normalized the just living here and they've normalized poverty. We can't keep on being poor. I mean, like, we were born into poverty. We can't bring our kids or our child into poverty again. We need to standard up. We need to, level up. We need to get something better. You know what I mean? So I'm just a trying guy who is, trying to build something good for my future, something good for my kids, for my family. You know what I mean? So yeah, man, that's what I'm trying to do. So if you judge me, it's up to you, and I don't care, because I know you won't understand my life the way I understand it. You know what I mean? So yeah, man, this vlog is gonna be mixed. There's a lot of moments, man. Like, you're gonna see the whole week in my life, apartment viewing, and the meals, the outs, and it's just gonna be a lot, man. But mainly is gonna be focusing on the apartment and how I'm surviving this life years out. You know what I mean? So if it's your first time, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more and more content. And road to 40,000. I think right now we are on 39,500, and we just left with 500 people only. So make sure you tell a friend to subscribe to my channel for more and more content. You know what I mean? So yeah, man, I'm gonna show you the other reason why I'm moving out of this place. There's a lot that I will be showing you, but for now I can't be showing you because I'm still staying here. You know what I mean? And you guys, you will start noticing the problems. But as long as now I'm still staying here, I won't be able to show you. But I will definitely show you if I succeed to move into the new apartment. So go with me to view the apartment, man. And yeah. So this is basically our showroom, but what's gonna be available? Bedroom. Okay, so this area. Okay. Yeah, it's a nice place. It's a nice place. Thanks. So guys, I saw the place, and to be honest, I liked it. There's gym, smoking area, parking, internet. There's a lot, man. It's like judging from outside, you think maybe the place is not beautiful, but it's so nice. Actually, I don't want to expose the location, man, but it's like you can see these buildings, ne? Oh, like the place looks like this outside, from the outside, because they are like big buildings. They are not like those apartments that are standing alone apartments. They're like, you know, big apartments, like those big buildings where you can get an apartment inside. So yeah, man, I'm quite impressed, and the place is so good. So yeah, man, yeah, I think I like the place. So I'm gonna keep on giving you new updates and everything that you can want, you know what I mean? So, but it's a bit smaller than the one that I'm living though, but it's not bad. It was like, you know, for a small family, it's not bad, like, I'm not gonna lie. I actually love the place. It seems like it's a very quiet place, and yeah, man, and security, fingerprint, and yeah, there's fingerprints to enter the building. So I'm not gonna disclose the way exactly, but I think I like the place. So yeah, stay tuned for more updates and for the whole tour apartment, tour, man. Yeah, so let's get into the whole week. Oh, this is so beautiful. This Chevy, she's so dirty, by the way. This princess, she's so freaking dirty. Look, I'm no motor me beans, guys. Anyways, let's hit the road. Peace. As you can see, my tank is like your head. It's empty. Anyways, gate is opening. Let's hit the road, Baba. Let's go. I don't even know why there's traffic right now. Because like the traffic is crazy. No, I lie. Told you all that my fuel is empty, so I had to pass through the garage adding some. So I guess we're adding some fuel here by the engine garage there. I think you can see. So guys, we are here at Logo Mama's. Just arrived. So let's see, man, what's gonna take. This thing is it's a peanut butter milkshake. First time trying it. Let's see how it tastes. So guys, So yeah, man. This is the area. I don't even know what's the name of this area though. I just know that it's like 8 kilometers away from my place. Anyways, I'm manifesting. I once went to take a milk. No, I'm manifesting La Parada down there. I know I'm gonna come there with my girlfriend. I don't know when, but yeah, in time. Anyways, this is our car. So yeah, man. Church, we're gonna come to La Parada one day. Down there. It's down there by the lights there. Maybe for anniversary nyana or what. But no. Maybe anniversary should be in Young David, you know what I mean? I don't know, man. I don't know. Chad, let me know where should we go. Maybe in David nyana, you know what I mean? Anyways, let's get it. So guys, let's go home now. Let's hamba eka. Yeah. Guys, you won't believe it. I was sleeping the whole day. It's now almost to 5. Like about 10 minutes to 5. Look. Still locked. Look at my after house car it is. This log has now turned into like a week, spending a week with me. Yo, my head is carried. I can't go out like this. Maybe I have to put this on. So guys, let's go buy some relish. I don't know when last did I cook. You can see my kitchen area is dry. I was buying food like ever since I came from Zimbabwe. I think I only cooked once. That was on 3rd June. I need to pull out my socks. I've been wasting money lately. So guys, let's go buy meat so that today we'll cook pap. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's been a minute without cooking. And we have to today. We really have to. So yeah guys, go with me. So guys, I think we now look better. The egg is now looking better. I think it's high time I should go get a retouch. I should go for maintenance. Oh, my mouth was so dry. But anyways, nonetheless, let's see the road and go to the butchery before it's closed, because it's closes early. It closed at 5 p.m. I don't even know why they do that. But still, nonetheless, let's see the road and let's go there. Can I please have 4 pieces? 4 pieces? Yeah. About this, I ended up buying the spice because when we were cooking for the people at the consulate, we were using some of my spices, so I no longer had any spices. And bought some pork as well. So yeah. I don't know if I should make a braai or if I should make vegetables or a pork stew or what. I don't know. So now let's enter the farm store. Yeah. Now we are in the farm store, and I want to see if I can get some cucumber to make the salad, or if I should make some, vegetables or pork stew. I don't know. So let's check what's good, what's in there which is good for our supper. Yeah, something like that. I didn't want to buy this whole tin because I don't have a fridge. But when I don't have option, I just have to buy it. Also, I need to buy with the beans as well, so that I will mix for the best soup. For the best chakalaka. Yeah. So, man, I don't know, man, if I should take this. You know what, guys? I don't know if I should say sometimes living alone is a disadvantage, or if I should say sometimes not having a fridge is a disadvantage. Because tell me why, son. I couldn't buy vegetables because I won't finish them alone. Now I'm scared. I was scared also to buy this chakalaka, and now I'm going to buy baked beans to mix the salad that I want to make, chakalaka and beans. But now I'm forced to finish the whole 2 tins. or I'm scared to leave them, to open them and then just eat a bit. You know what I mean? Famba kaneo. Tell me why, guys. I can't like buy a lot of stuff because I won't be able to finish them, and I will be scared to leave them because they will be bad in less than like few minutes or stuff. Guys, anyone who wanna come and stay with me, I think that would be great because your son, I'm tired. Now I have to go and look for some beans because the shop that I was buying some stuff, they don't have beans there. So let's get some baked beans and then we'll go home. See, the reason why I hate coming to the location, there's a lot of girls here in the location, and if you are not strong, I'm telling you, you will definitely cheat on your partner. But yeah, I don't know why. It's always in the locations where you can see thousands of baddies in the location. But anyways, nonetheless, let me park there and get the beans that I care for, not the beans that I'm seeing in the streets. Peace. See what I was talking about. Now tell me who is gonna finish all these two stuff here. Tell me who is gonna finish them. Anyways, we're out here in the car. See, we're out here in the location. You thought there's only locations in Zimbabwe. Even here in South, there's Ifirids here in South. But yo, it's just that it's dangerous here in the locations. Oh. But one thing that I like about Johannesburg locations, they're a bit cleaner than these people, they were chased by Abahambe, but now they're back already. I'm telling you, you can't hear those Zimbabweans. See what I was talking about? Girls all over in the location. Girls all over. But if you wanna see that you're not a man, you see? If you wanna see that you're not a man, did get these girls from the location. I'm telling you. No offense. But your life will be at risk. I'm telling you, my brother. Either when you go to sea or to fish it there. But it's not all locations though. Those who stay in Cape Town, they know. If you go to Kailicha and you don't know the streets there, you are dead, my brother. In Kailicha, that's where there's most beautiful girls there. In the dangerous locations. If you go to Nyanga, to Langa, Nyanga, Guguletu, Delft, I'm telling you, your life is over. And that's where the most girls are. They're in the location. You know what I mean? But nonetheless, let's go home and cook. Focus with cooking. We've even come here for some stuff that I'm telling you about now. But I was just like, sharing with you. I was living in South East, like. Anyways, let's go home. Yo, my fuel upelile now. Let me put on 0. Okay. That's how I measure how my fuel is gonna run out completely. Now I put a 0 kilometers. When I get around 20 kilometers there after the empty tank, then I will know that it's time to fuel again. Anyways, nonetheless, I'll catch you guys when I'm at home. Peace. So, we're back like we never left. Okay. Oh, let me open my door. Okay. Let's put this here and let's take the beans. So we're at home, guys. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is what we bought. Let's cook. My house is colored today. Yeah, not that much, just a bit. This cable, I was using it when I was lying by the sofa there, and then yeah, everything. I just fell asleep there while I was working there. And then now we have to work on this section. We have to start cooking. Yo, this is empty. But yeah, as a bachelor, Nyana, what can I do? We need to use this. So stay tuned, man. So guys, I know it's not something big, but yeah, this is what I cooked. I was just rushing because I was hungry. So this is chakalaka. I know it's like water, but this is chakalaka in baked beans, and this is braai in water. So I just put some mayonnaise because I love mayonnaise. You know what I mean? So yeah, this is how it looks like. So let's eat supper. Another day, another doula. We're out to eat another restaurant here, and we finally have lunch, Nyana. You know what I mean? So it's a new setup here. They said if I'm ready, I will press a button. Let me show you. They said if I'm ready, I will press this one to call the waiter. I visited a lot of restaurants, but I've never seen this before. But yeah, this is where we are. I want to show you outside. So we got our milkshake here. We got our milkshake here. Wow, the food is so yummy. So yummy. And I wasn't expecting it to be that much. Anyways, let's chow. So guys, that eating just left a little takeaway here. I won't finish the food, man. And it was better. It was not bad, but so yeah, man. I finished my milkshake. Yo, I love milkshakes. So you can see, I finished it, and now I'm about to leave. I'm about to go home and see what's popping. The day is about to end. It's around 4 or 5, around 4 p.m. And yeah, just like that, the day is over. So guys, I'm done eating. This is where I was eating here. This is where I was eating at Orama. Yeah, I was sitting that side there. See in Boxburg, alongside, I think it's Louis Richard Road, or I don't know, I'm forgetting the roads, but yeah, I think it's Louis Richard. So yeah, stay tuned. So guys, yeah, we are back at home.
What do you know?
And I'm watching Bruce.
What do you know? Say it. Oh, what does that mean?
Anyways, guys, we're out at home.
What does that mean?
So for the longest time, I thought it means you are beautiful.
Hey guys, it's been like the whole week now without dropping anything, and I was gonna finish the whole month, to be honest, without dropping anything, because like ish. I just feel like I'm not in the right state of doing content. That's why you see these days I'm dragging, like I'm not posting that much. You know what I mean? I'm not posting that much, and I wanted to wait for Karen till she's back, and then we'll, start doing the content. But nonetheless, man, I'm just dropping the content for you guys because there's a person that I'm promoting a channel for, and we are struggling to get to 1,000 subscribers, guys. Please help me reach this channel to 1,000. I know it takes days, it takes time, but this channel that I'm seeing here, Raw with Ashley, please let's go and subscribe there, like, comment, share, and subscribe, because we are doing a promotion for this channel, and we are forced to drop videos so that we can promote this channel. You know what I mean? So guys, what I'm saying is, please let's go and subscribe, like, comment, share, and write down in the comment section. Go and engage on your videos and say we're coming from praise. Let's go, guys, and engage. Go and spam in the comment section that we are coming from praise, from Angle Praise, and let's go and support you. Let's go and watch all your videos, guys. I trust you guys. Nonetheless, thank you so much for watching the video to the end. Please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more and more content. I'm gonna drop the next vlog when I reach 40k. Either it's a new apartment vlog, either it's Makoti coming back, I don't know. Either it's another vlog that you're not expecting. Yeah, I'm so random. Anyways, I love you so much, guys. Thank you so much.